Well, there's nothing like a red Corvette, and this is a beautiful car. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT Coupe, just 34,000 miles. This is a beautiful car. Torch red on the exterior, adrenaline red on the interior. That's an absolutely beautiful interior. Glass top, and under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine, 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,160 2LT preferred equipment group. This, of course, includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system, steering wheel controls, has MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, and memory package. Has multi-mode exhaust, has that hood stinger that looks beautiful, performance data recorder with navigation, chrome wheels, remote start, Bluetooth package, dual power seats, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate controlled, has those HID headlights, OnStar tilt and telly, side airbags. It has the rear view camera as well, and of course power windows. Everything on this car is power, cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. This car comes with some very nice options, and this 2015 Corvette Stingray shows, as we said, just 34,452 miles. It's in nice condition. If you want to see more detailed pictures and see the pricing on this car, just click the link right down below this video and it'll take you to all of that information. The paint on this car, good condition, great shine. Glass top is in good condition as well, and those factory chrome wheels look absolutely great. The interior shows, as you can see, good to very good leather seats, very good center console, steering wheel, very good to excellent door panels. Now, additions to this car include the window tint, Grand Sport Z06 style front grille, center console lid with a Stingray logo embroidery. It looks really great. It has the red fuel rail covers and front WeatherTech floor mats. Subframe is corrosion-free, and this car could be in your driveway much less expensive as you might imagine, because we ship nationwide every week from buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. Give us a call at 770-414-5552. and let us help put this car in your driveway. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Stop in and see us anytime, or we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. Again, buyavette.net. Hope to hear from you really soon.